So in that level, we cannot expect control 90 minutes, and we're going to suffer. The point is, how are we going to overcome, to react in that situation? And we did it twice, after 1-0 and after 2-2. And that's why I'm so pleased. So when everything is going well, so it's easy. Even you and I, we can play. So the situation is, no, that's not. The point is how in the bad moments the team react, and we did it, and we did it really well. I'm so happy because I know exactly against which team we were able to win. So they added something special the way they play. So in the first 20 minutes, I'm suffering, but at the same time, I was a spectator. Say, wow, how good they play, how good it is for the football to be these two teams, but just thinking in attack and create, and that's why when that's happened, the football is fantastic. So, and of course I'm happy because we won, because that is the main point I think tonight. When one guy achieves what he has achieved, so it's just to big congratulations for all his teammates he played with, managers. It's a big news for him, so he's a legend for that club, for the history, and enjoy it. So everybody has to be so proud of that.